Alright guys, so I just wanted to do a quick review on my toiletry bag. So guys, if you guys don't have one, I didn't realize how much I needed one until I got one. You need one of these right here. This one's super high quality. I'm gonna open it up, give you a look on the inside. And it's got some other compartments right here, as well as on this side. Put some stuff in here as well, so you can see. It also has a spot for a zipper in here as well, so if you need to store anything in there, definitely can. So like for me, like I used to just throw it in the luggage, but now with this, you can keep all your products. Like honestly, I could probably be a little bit more organized, but like my deodorant, my razors, eye drops, and other toiletry items, I just put in here now. And just close it up. Let's close this bad boy out. Put this through here. And bam, there it is. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.